Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open the application and you'll see the main interface. To begin, navigate to File then New Project to create your workspace. Give your project a descriptive name and choose a save location. Next, import your media by dragging files directly into the project panel or by using File then Import. This sets up your foundational elements for editing. Now let's dive into basic editing. Drag your imported clips from the project panel onto the timeline. Use the razor tool, often found by pressing C, to make precise cuts in your footage. Switch to the selection tool by pressing V to move and trim clips. You can easily adjust clip duration by dragging its edges. Experiment with simple transitions, like a cross dissolve, found in the Effects panel to smooth your edits. To enhance your video, focus on audio and visuals. Select an audio clip on the timeline and open the Essential Sound panel to adjust volume or apply effects like noise reduction. For visuals, use the Lumetri Color panel to correct exposure, white balance, and saturation, aiming for a natural look. Add titles and graphics by selecting the Type tool or importing pre-made assets, positioning them carefully for maximum impact. Finally, it's time to export your masterpiece. Go to File, then Export, and select Media. In the Export Settings window, choose a format like H.264 for web distribution, which offers excellent quality at a manageable file size. Adjust settings such as resolution, perhaps 1920 by 1080 pixels, and frame rate, commonly 24 or 30 frames per second. Click Export to render your video, ready for sharing with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.